Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. So for today, I have a 2003 Ford Expedition model XLT. And what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be trying to install, maybe disassemble, maybe clean, and then reinstall my fog lights. As you can see on the right driver's side, I don't have any fog lights. I do have some fog lights on the left, but I need to put some light bulbs, and I don't have any right here, as you can tell, so I'll be doing that. First is I'm gonna clean it up because right now it's dirty, and at the same time I'm gonna sand it down and then put some clear coat so it can look all nice and shiny. So I'm gonna start spraying it with some water. Okay, so just be aware this doesn't really have any electrical, I guess you would say, components or anything like that. So spraying it down like this and cleaning it up is basically a good thing. Try not to spray any inside here. You want to just, okay, and after that, that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna sand it down. I'm gonna put some water right here, and I'm gonna put some water on the sandpaper right here. So what I'm gonna be doing for this one is I'm gonna be using a 2000 grit, as you can see right there. I'm gonna be generous when I sand it down, so I'm gonna sand it down as much as I can. So for this I'm gonna require 2 hands. So okay guys, so after it has dried, all you want to do is just now apply some alcohol, isopropylene alcohol. It doesn't matter really about the percentage of the alcohol. It could be 50-50, or it could be 75, or it could be 100% alcohol. You want to spray a lot of alcohol on it. And the reason I didn't tell you guys to clean it with a towel or clean it with a cloth or anything like that is because sometimes you can scratch it just by cleaning it with a regular paper, and you can leave some scratches on it and you might not even notice it, but the scratches will still be there. And not just that, if you clean it with any type of cloth, you can leave some lint, and that will stay on even after you apply the clear coat in it. So after you're done spraying it with alcohol, all we have to do is wait a couple of minutes, maybe like 10 minutes. Then after that, we're ready for the clear coat. So now that it's dry, air dry, you're gonna want to paint it. And what I'm gonna be using is basically protective clear coat finish from Perfect Match. So I'm gonna do long length so it could come out nice and even. So that's what I'll do. So now that I let it dry for like 30-40 minutes, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this bulb back in. So the same way I took it out, I'm gonna put it back in the same way. Okay guys, so this bulb goes into here, and as you can tell, there's little marks right here that are different. This one's small, medium, and then this one's large. So I have to do the same for this. I have to align it. So I have to find a pattern and just try to put it together so you guys can see it fits. And then once it fits, all I have to do is push it in and then start turning. Start turning this way. And then that's it. Okay guys, so in order for me to install my fog light, I have to remove this. And then in order to remove this, I have to go under the car. And inside the car, there's these 3 little nuts that I have to remove. Either I think I could remove them by hand, because this right here is plastic. This right here that's holding it is plastic, and this one and this one. So I have to remove it, or I could just use a ratchet. So I guess I'll do that. Okay, that's great. That's one down. Okay, I think it's working. It's working. Okay, now I could use this one. Take it off with a little wrench. Okay, I think I could use my hand now. Alright. Oh, yes. Okay, now that's it. That's 3 of them. Now all you want to do is just push out. Sometimes it's pretty hard to push out, but as you can see, I just did it with my finger. They all came out. Okay, now I have to just pull it out from right here. Okay guys, I'm just gonna clean it up with some water. Okay, it's ready. Okay guys, so remember I told you to put the light bulb first before you install it? It's because it's actually easier that way. And it should show you right there, there's 2 on the left side, and there's, well, it looks like there's 3, but there's 1 on that side. And it should go in like this. So I'm gonna put it in. Okay. All right, now it's ready to put some nuts. So I'll put these. And since these are plastic, you really don't need to tighten them too tight. I think I got the hang of it. Alright, next one. Alright, I think I'm getting the hang of it with one hand. Gotta make sure it's alright. Make sure it doesn't move. Now, reconnect this. All I gotta do is first is put this in this way. It has to click in, and it looks like it did. All right, and that's it. Okay guys, check it out. Look how it looks. Now what I'm gonna do is, so for this I'm gonna have to remove it because I'm gonna apply some clear coat. And basically I'm just gonna do the same step as I did over there. I guess these have nuts on them, and there should be 3, just like the other one. Now I feel like I can push it out. Okay, it looks like I can. Now, all right. Hey guys, so what I'm gonna do with this one is I'm gonna just clean it up because it's really dirty. Okay guys, so what you guys are gonna want to do, you guys are gonna want to apply some water. I already cleaned it, by the way. all I'm going to do is sand it down. Apply some water here too, and what I'm using is a 2000 grit. So spray some water, sand it down. Next thing, alcohol. And then after that, I'm just gonna let it air dry. So for this, I'm gonna apply some clear coat, and I'm gonna try to be as generous as I can. So I'm gonna try to apply a lot, and it's gonna be in long stripes. Yeah. So here we go. I'm gonna let it do is dry, cure, set for like 30 to 45 minutes, and then I'll install it. So my light bulb is right here, and all I have to do is insert it. All I do is push it down. Okay, we got it secured. Do is install it, but before I do, I gotta clean it up because it's really dirty. So let me get a towel and some water and start cleaning it. Then after that, I can install it. Spray some water. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, there's two sides right here, two holes. Those two holes are meant for these right here. So, and then one of these is meant for one of those holes that should line up to that. So all I gotta do is insert it. Okay, it looks like it went in all nice. Now all I gotta do is put those nuts and use that wrench. Now let's just connect this right here, this to the back, and since I already put my my bolt, all I gotta do is just insert it, slide it in, clip on, and it should be ready. All right guys, and that's it. Check out the end result. Check out my fog lights. This is my 2003 Ford Expedition with my fog lights working, and that is how you do it. All right guys,